Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Width.
What does the dictionary say?
Extent from side to side. Breadth. Wideness.
Math rap.
From width you cannot hide the distance of things from the wide. Don't look up or down or go for a ride. Width is the distance from side to side.
Math rap.
What did the left to right line say to the up and down line? I'm going with or without you. What's with width? Explain width in your own words. Record on a chart the following list of objects and their width in either inches or centimeters. Box of tissues, smartphone, your shoe, your left hand.
Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!